Okay guys, are you ready? Yes. So you guys please clap for your team. And of course you guys please clap for your team. Hi everyone, thank you so much for clicking this video. Today again we have come back with another debate. Here people are enthusiastic and excited to talk about a topic. Sometimes or others you need to go in a market. Maybe because of Khala ki shadi, maybe because of Phuphi ki shadi, and maybe because of Eid, and maybe because of Holi, and maybe because of Diwali. You just have to go in market. But there are some people, they are saying that we have to go in the hypermarket because they are renowned. And of course, they are rich people as well. And here, dear normal people, and they are saying that normal market is better. So I want to indicate you the topic that we are going to talk about is hypermarket, supermarket versus normal market. Which one is better? So are you ready to talk about, guys? Anurag, are you ready?
Yes.
Do you really go to normal market or hypermarket?
Yes. Normal market.
Have you never seen normal market?
Yes.
Have you never seen hypermarket?
Yes.
In outside.
What is
in outside? No.
Outside?
Yes.
What is the color of hypermarket? Even Abdullah doesn't know what is the color of hypermarket, right? By the way, that's part of joke. It's colorful, right? Okay, so Mr. Abdullah is saying that it is a colorful market because we can see many people. And yes, somebody was saying in normal market there is a lot of crush of the people. And crush of the people. Okay, so let us start. This microphone goes to Mr. Anas as initiator, and here Miss Manet. Okay, so you want to start?
Yes.
So please, 1, 2, 3.
A very good morning to all of my friends, and I am super excited to be here. And first of all, I would like to say thanks, Mr. Cash, for giving me this golden opportunity. And today we are talking about which market is better, supermarket and normal market. According to me, supermarket is very good, and I prefer to go supermarket because supermarket provide us a very many facilities, and supermarket is not a supermarket because it is a hub of lots of variety and lots of product all available there. And if we go supermarket, we can purchase anything at any time. And there are staff is a very well educated staff there. They provide you very good service, and there are air conditioner AC available, and there are a lot of variety of products. If you want to purchase any product, and there are all time offer is going on. If you want to purchase a t-shirt, and then the offer is a buy one and get two. Yes. And in normal market, not any time offer is going on, and lots of facilities are over there, and there are trial room also available, and you can, if you want to wear clothes and check it, so you can go the trial room and you can check the cloth quality and wear it. And this is my point. That's it. Thank you.
Alright. So here Mr. Anas was trying to say that hypermarket is full of facilities. There are many facilities, like he mentioned, our AC, air condition, and many people are well educated there,
Yes.
and they are serving.
Offer also
and that
available.
is why hypermarket is better. But in normal market, the people are not well educated, and there is no air conditioner.
Yes, and not offer is going
on.
on.
Be used on the road actually. So Miss Manita, you just have to say your opinion by polite manner, and of course.
Hello, good morning everyone. How are you all?
Yeah, fine.
So same with me. Today I feel highly privileged and honored that I have been sitting here in the hall of full of eloquent speakers, and I would like to thank all of you for your kind attention, and special thanks to the sir, because at the behest of him I am able to speak here. And talking about me, my name is Manita Singh. I just completed my class 12th and I am from Lucknow itself. So today's topic is a very burning topic, not a burning topic, very sensational and topic, like hypermarket and normal market. So both are equally well, like people of the country can go in wherever market they want. But as per my opinion, I feel like normal market is quite reasonable and quite convenient for me. For example, we are being living in India where about 60 to 70% of the people are from middle class or poor family. So the main motive should be of every people should be to promote the street vendors. In normal market, we can promote street vendors because they also require money. They cannot set up their stalls in the hypermarket because they are not so well educated. But in order to earn money, in order to have their living, they must have to do something for their living. So that's why we should support normal market. There are so many street vendors continuously day and night. They have to stand there near the roadside in order to earn money. They want something from us, but we just for, even I have seen so many people just for show off or just for showing themselves quite rich, they go to hypermarket and they see that we always used to purchase branded clothes, we always used to purchase the frozen vegetables and fruits. I ask them why. Because there's no use of that. The farmer is doing such a hard work in the field day and night, so that they could provide you with fresh vegetables, with fresh fruits. And now we are not even recognizing their efforts. We are just for our own benefits and just for our own convenience, and we go to hypermarket. Also, when we talk about these poor people, there are times like festivals, Holi, Diwali. They, like, for even a middle class or a rich people can have lot more of like budget issue during the festival times. We don't even think about these poor people who are selling diyas, who are selling candles. At that point also we have to take or buy candles of big brands. I ask you, why? Don't they have right to enjoy the festival same as we? We have to think about that. We have to promote this normal market. Moreover, just want to say that we should not be, and we should not be a white elephant. Just for our sake, we are purchasing 2 or 3 iPhones and they are of no use for us because we are happy with Androids. Why we should do? Because we feel like we have been entered in such a renowned and such a magnificent place, so we have to buy anything just for show off, or we have to buy anything, and either it is of no use. So it basically, normal market at this place also stops us from being a white elephant. Moreover, I feel like people who don't look that much appropriate. For example, I can go to hypermarket, you can go to hypermarket, but there are lots of more people who cannot have access to that place. They don't look appropriate, they don't have that much, and in that place people will have an eye on them that they can steal anything, they can be the thief, they don't have any money, so they will keep a check on them again and again. So I think it's really bad, and it's hurting the humanity basis as well. So for me, on my basis, on my points, I would like to just conclude my things that we must promote normal market, because we the people of India have to tackle the poverty, have to tackle with this problem of poverty, and have to raise voice, have to stand for these street vendors too, not just for our own benefit. If we don't have AC just for 10 minutes on our roof, it's okay if we can provide them a good living. So I think so that's more crucial for us. So that was my point. I'm Manta Singh signing before you all. This was you all having the great audience of the day. Thank you for listening me so attentively, and thank you for connecting with me. Thank you.
All right, very nice. So here she has blinked and gleamed emotionally that think about poverty.
Yes.
You're talking about AC?
Sir, but it is a very good for if I'm not able to go in outside in summer season it is scorching hot in outside. How can I manage? And in yes.
Manta talk to you, right? Yeah. Like he's talking about AC. He's saying it's scorching hot. How can people tolerate
All
that?
time I live in air conditioned,
Yes.
fully air conditioned. So how can I manage in
You are
outside?
thinking only about yourself. You are not thinking about the street vendor
I'm thinking
standing there from the 5 o'clock in the morning till 11 o'clock at the night.
In the
You are
supermarket,
just going
there are
for-
100 staff is working there. I go
I
there shopping
appreciate
there.
your point, but you are just taking care of yourself only. You are not even thinking about those people.
No, he's talking about employment as well, right? Like,
Yes, employment also growing there because there are 100 yes,
people. Yes.
100 staff are
Employments, if we remove this normal market, around 60% of the people will left unemployed. You know, street
I'm not
vendors,
telling
they
you
have
remove
been
the normal
contributing to
market,
this.
but if I am rich, I have money, so why I cannot go there?
If you have money, so you would only think about yourself. You will not.
I am not
you will
saying
not only
because
think
there are
about
also a worker, they are doing work and they are also surviving their life. A farmer's sons also well educated and they are doing job in supermarket. They earn money and surviving their family
farmers.
life.
Basically, the first thing is the farmers. They are working day and night. They want. There are so many mandis like the Kisan Path also being made by the government
But it is not-
just to provide them,
Okay.
just to provide the opportunities to them so that they could sell easily.
Yes, okay, but it is not hygienic product. Like vegetables are not hygienic.
In supermarket, in hypermarket, it is frozen fruits, frozen vegetables. Not in the normal market. They just have fresh fruits, fresh vegetables.
All right, no problem. Please.
Hello everyone, very scintillating morning. I am using these words multiple times, but these are the words.
First, be energetic.
And I want to thank sir because if you see the attitude, it is genuine in nature. Sir promotes everybody individually. Whatever if you are not getting confidence, sir emphasizes you. Come on, do it. You can do it. And it is genuine. You all can see. So today's topic is that normal market versus a supermarket, right? So I am totally supporting with normal market. Why? I want to start with a quote of Mahatma Gandhi, that simple living and high thinking. What is the meaning of simple living? You don't have to show anything. If you have any attitude, then everybody will show. If you have that gratitude, so if you see the whole life of Mahatma Gandhi, he wore only one dhoti, one watch, one spectacle. Even he was the more powerful person of India at that time. All the British were shivering like, who is this Gandhi? But he was very simple. He used to draw charkha. Why? Because he wanted to promote genuine things. Even World Bank and WHO and these international institutions are saying that you have to promote local for vocal. Have you heard about this local for vocal? Why? Because if you see the scenario, these industries are grasping you. So let us take one example of Reliance Groceries. There was one system that was available in Saharaganj. Now it is Reliance. Everything is available. I have visited 2 or 3 times. Everything is available. If you want a nail, it is available. If you want kangha, if you want the schooling thing to make rotis, everything is available. But what about those who are working on that part? If you see Panwala, I have asked one question to Panwala. How much time did you invest for this shop? I was very surprised. He answered that I have invested 30 years just to run a shop and to give pans. Right? So now what about those person? They have destroyed their life. They have no jobs now. Street vendors are unemployed. These major industries are grabbing the liquidity of the market. Even they are promoting. You can't say this is the whole scam. You are seeing on YouTube. So who is promoting YouTube? Reliance. You are seeing these films. Who is promoting these films? Reliance. Why this smoking and this nasa is there in the market? Because these films are promoting.
Yes.
Because these films are promoting you. They are unconsciously in your mind that these things is useful for us. So I want to conclude because a lot of talented people are there, and it is of course a very great platform, and this platform Well Talk Institute will do wonders. Because if you see the YouTube channel, I was watching one video of Well Talk, or this video got even 1 lakh more than 1 lakh subscribers just because of views within just 18 to 20 days or 2 months. So if you see that type of growing, and even I have seen a lot of BBC News, very few viewers were there, but because why? Because we talent people are giving an effort and making content, right? And especially sir and this Maneta and this Abdullah and everybody, even I am just watching only one batch. Sir is running a lot of batches, doing hard work continuously day and night just to promote. So if you want to add something, you can prepare something, you can add some new things, so it will help, because it is costless. There are a lot of persons who are not able to afford English speaking, so they will sir is helping in another way. First I want to start with I want to end with one story, and that is very ending point. I have only 10 rupees in my pocket. Where will I go? I can't afford hypermarket. I can't afford hypermarket.
First you pursue money, then you go.
But in normal market, I can enjoy a lot. First, I will go to a tea shop. I will purchase one tea. I will take one tea and be happy. I will take 5 rupees that bhujia.
Yes.
It will see that I am taking something, but it is not there in hypermarket. You are just like a robot. Nobody will there. Go, no purchasing, no bargaining, nothing. Just go, and this is the price, and they are playing with your mind. They are making the environment very attractive so that you will go and purchase. You can see film, all the things are available. They are snatching your money out of your pocket. You can enjoy the same thing. So one day I met my friend. He was saying I will go. We will go and see movie. So okay, I'm saying okay. So why not in novelty? Why are you going that Alambag and Phoenix Mall? Go and take. No, I am well standard, and there are standard people who are watching that movie, and it is very cheap in nature. So I asked one question: content is same, everything is same. Why are you wasting your time?
The point is saying that we are towards, you mentioned the point that if I have 10 rupees, where will I go? Means it is unaffordable, of course. Even a carry bag is about 50 rupees in a hypermarket.
Yeah. I have seen that Phoenix Mall bottle.
In the supermarket, they are.
Mr. Rishabh is gonna say something. Everybody have to speak. सुनिए opinion में आप लोग 2 से 3 मिनट ले. Hello. At least you should take 2 minutes only in opinion. Right?
I will ask you.
Rishabh is going to reply and share his opinion. Please listen to him.
Hello everyone, my name is Rishabh, and today's topic is hypermarket versus normal market. I like to change your opinion. Hypermarket not for only rich people.
Yes.
Wow, yes.
Because there is so much discount and so much product which is given to you if you buy 2000 product, 2000 rupees product or 3000 rupees product. In normal market, one place you buy vegetable, one place you buy some of product, one place of buy some of product, clothes. But in hypermarket, the hypermarket is the combination of all product. You can buy all product at one place.
Yes.
Okay. And on the price of normal market, hypermarket provide you all facilities like pani, AC, light, and many things. If you go in normal market, there is low range. I think if you go to normal market and buy a bag of rice, they show you only 2 and 3 rice. Some quality is less, some quality is medium, and some quality is higher. But in hypermarket, there is so much quality. Some good quality from India and some good quality also from foreign. Then you can also experience the product of foreign. Right. But in normal market you cannot buy this type of product.
Right.
Mr. Anurag says in hypermarket you cannot bargaining to anyone. But if you go to buy a mango in a normal market, they charge you overpriced. For example, if you go in a normal market, they ask you 80 rupees per kg mango. And if you bargaining that, then I think they come under 50 or 40 rupees. But in a hypermarket, there is no bargaining because their rate is fixed. They're not manipulating you. They only gives you in same rate. If normal market you go to normal market, if someone says 80 rupees kg mango, only less of people who bargaining the rate. Right. Only some of the people. But in hypermarket the rate is fixed. If you not bargaining, you buy in 50 rupees.
Right, of course.
And anyone tell here what about farmers and what about all this? Hypermarket hypermarket also purchases food and vegetable from our farmers. Not they take from foreign. That's what my point. Thank you, sir.
I want to answer
Yes,
this question. You can allow. You can't taste that normal market.
Take short time, please. People have to speak. Take a short time.
I have memories in normal market. I have seen one ladies. He was purchasing some vegetables, and that vegetable wale bhaiya was there. And this lady says, "Give me 2 kilo tomato and potato." And what is the rate of the tomato? So he asked. He said that 20 rupees kg. Bhaiya, you are not taking it up properly. 15 rupees kg is okay. Okay, madam, take it. I will manage somewhere. In dhaniya, your dhaniya is free or not? Your dhaniya is free, na? Your mirach is free. This type of bargaining you will not find in a hypermarket. Like, I am not saying it is not related with money. It is related with interest. People are going. People are going. They are connecting. This social relation you can see that.
It is very bad thing for everyone.
We are not.
It is very bad thing. It is very bad thing for everyone. It is look like a
type
what
of
we call
activity.
begging in English.
Begging. It's a kind of begging.
It is a kind of begging. You ask for bhaiya dhaniya bhi de dena. This is not fair, man.
They are going to market for entertainment, not purchase. We are busy people. We have so many things in our life. So go to purchase, not entertain. If we need to entertain ourselves, go to theater. We have so another adventure.
Sir, you are disrespecting. You are 90% people are there like this.
In front of Vegas.
You are few. You are in minority.
Okay, fine. Anurag.
Be genuine. Be down to earth. You are not down. Where are you going?
Begging is down to
Where
earth.
are you going?
Begging is down to earth.
You are
Begging
using.
is down to earth.
You are using cars just buying few purchasing. That is not. It is itself activity to go to market.
It's
to
my point,
interact
sir.
with people.
Okay,
Others,
let
right?
you clear. Okay. Have you finished?
Please pass it to Pass it to Prachi.
In front of me.
Fine. Here who will speak? You will speak.
Yes, I am, sir.
Yes.
Speak.
You?
Okay.
You start.
I start. Okay. Hello everyone. Myself is Prachi Tripathi, and thank you, sir, for having me this golden opportunity to talk about hypermarket versus normal market. So, in my opinion, hypermarket is not affordable for everyone. We can not went too easily there. Like not everyone is that much rich, because we are belong from the normal family, a middle class family, and for myself it is not okay to go there and purchase. And there are so many people. We know that the India is the
full of poor people. Like we know that our poverty level is very high. We know that so much people are live around the street. So how they can went to their hypermarket and purchase that expensive thing? I'm not saying that that is so much expensive, but if they are wearing a normal dress, like they are not afford a good cloth, they are so much dirty and they are not inappropriate way. So how can they enter in that supermarket or enter that mall so they can purchase the things? But in normal market they can easily went and they can buy the things. And we are talking about that time. So you are saying that we are so much busy person and we are not able to go, and if we want to entertain, that we went to the theaters and somewhere else for the adventures. So let me tell you, there are so much people who spend their whole life at the street. They have so much time, but they are not able to eat. They are not able to manage the thing. They are not give the efficient money to their family. So how they survive? So for their survival, we can spend money. We can went to that person, go to that person to give, to provide employment, to provide money. So they can survive. They can eat. Their family can survive. That is the human nature of the person.
Okay.
You are not only saying, you are not the person who is the richest person. You. I know. I am going.
Okay, sir. I am Muhammad Abdullah. I am very privileged. I am very thankful and grateful to Kaif sir to having me here. We are here to talk about the advantages and disadvantages of local market and hypermarket. Because of lack of time, I am not telling about advantages. I am just encounter your argument. It will be our advantages also.
Okay.
First of all, Miss Manita, I feel for you.
What? Manita.
I feel for you.
I feel sorry for you.
No, just I feel for you. Listen. Huh?
He's not able to understand.
Okay, I feel sorry for you. How lack of knowledge you have?
Sorry, sir. You two is like you two.
No.
are
First, let me clear. It's my turn.
Okay, speak up. Speak up.
Sir, everyone, one is Mr. Manita.
Mr.
Miss Manita, just in her speech, he give just false argument, and Mr. Anurag's speech, they just give a philosophy story.
And when you speak, you are telling cock and bull story.
Let me clear, sir. Sir, let me clear. Let me clear.
Okay.
Okay, talk. Okay, talk. Okay. The wise people listen more, talk less. Okay, talk.
Actually, you need to listen. You can answer, of course. Now it is. He was listening. He had been listening for I think 10 or 15 minutes. Now it is his turn to speak, right? You need to listen. And if you think that you can raise hand, then you can ask. Please continue.
Should I, sir? Should I, ma'am?
Yes, of course.
Okay.
It is your time. Yes.
Okay. First, Miss Manita said, in local market we have thing affordable. Wow. Ma'am, have you visit any time supermarket, hypermarket in your life?
No.
Then how you dare? How you argue on against her?
Because people out there, they have visited.
It's my time, please.
So you are
Please,
asking.
it's my time. Let me clear. No.
You are asking, I'm replying.
He's answering a question only. You are saying.
Have you finished my question?
Have you finished?
Why are you asking? See, you will answer.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
He said, very reasonable market, local market. I said, hypermarket more than reasonable than local market. You go the Lulu hypermarket in World D-Mart and Marks Mark, it's very famous mark. They are everything buy one get one. You go on bakery, you know real juice. Go any bakery, any local market, we can get 1 liter 100 rupees. When we go another hypermarket, we get 2 and 150 rupees. Your point is reasonable is not like this. It's very false. It's the biggest lie in the world, the reasonable of local market. And second thing, you and Mr. Arunag said, poor Anurag.
It's Anurag, not Anuman.
Whatever. Myths, whatever. Listen. You said, poor family, we are poor. Ma'am, listen. We are in developing country. Maybe you don't know what is developing country. Maybe you are
Yeah,
poor.
we are in developing
You are
country.
poor.
There is no
Please
person
listen.
poor.
You always say.
Okay, fine.
I am living in Daliganj, sir. I give one example. I am living in Daliganj. In Daliganj highway, too many people sleeping at footpath. If everyone come and said, Mr. Modi ji, please build footpath because the poor person are sleeping there. It is possible. You have to say that Mr. Modi, please build house for them.
Right.
It is not poor people. Please, ma'am, create some hygienic job for them.
Right.
I
We
will
have
read
hygiene.
when it will might.
When we go local market, what we see? We go purchasing to tomato. First we see the belly of vendor.
Yes.
The banyan of vendor. And what? He is
Man, are you
actually
really
sweating.
sociable? Are you living in society or not? Or are you
No,
living
I am
just
not
in
living
your
in
home,
society.
in your AC full-fledged home?
I am living in Mars.
You are living
I
in
am
Mars,
living
then
in
talk,
Jupiter.
then talk to
I am
Mars
living
people.
in anywhere.
If you are living
You
in
are
Mars, then
only
you are
person.
living
You
in
are living in
Mars.
society.
Go and talk
We
to
are
that
out of
people.
society. We
You
have
are
not
out of
society.
society. Your
We
wordings
gone
are out of
outside.
society. Your
We
wordings
have
are
not
out of
gone in this
society.
society.
You are
Wait, आप ओवर जा प्लीज 1 मिनट लिसन देखो इनका नाम लेने में थोड़ा सा दिक्कत है जैसे कैफ बोलते हैं because it's from Karnataka right so we need to cooperate actually in some other points जैसे ये काउंटर जिस तरह से हो रहा है ठीक है सो ओके डिबेट में चलता है कि you are not knowledgeable right I'm from Mars it is fine to use that you don't be offended of course you can be like ऐसा ना कोई offend हो जाए ना it's a kind of disclaimer actually but वक्त बहुत कम है माइक्रोफोन पे जाए yes and of course
That time save you.
time saved you, man.
Good morning everyone and my name is Pallavi Kaushal and today we are sharing our thoughts on hypermarket and the local market here. So that's we are much aware the people like most of the people always prefer the local market but I am not that it's depend upon the people where they want to go. We are not pressuring the people that you need to go the local market and you need to visit the supermarket. It's totally it's totally upon us like where we want to go and we are not saying the particular people that you need to bargain in the local market and you don't need to do the bargain in the hypermarket. We are aware about it that in a hypermarket there is a fixed price. And in the local market, if a person say that, sir, I'm not going to less this if a product in the 5 rupees and 10 rupees, we always try to get the bargain in if a product in the 10 rupees, so we want to get that product in the 5 rupees. So what is that? If the person is selling in the fixed price, so you need to get them. If you are thinking about the hypermarket, they are selling the in the very high quantity, like they are putting the high price on the product, and we are not able to bargain there. So you need to think about like if one of them you said like what about the poor people and what about the farmers? So if you are thinking a lot the poor people, so why are you bargaining over there? You don't know the door. Okay, and what about the if I talk about the supermarket, so they are not purchasing the things from the other countries. They are promoting the poor people also. They are not able to sell their product in the local market. They are buying the supermarkets also. They are buying the product from the poor people in a little bit less price. Even the local people always get that product in the very less price. So the supermarket people also purchasing that product, and they are selling in the fixed price, so they are not doing anything wrong in my opinion. And the second thing, like in these days, the humanity and the other things also, like we are so much busy, we don't want to waste our time. And in the like a roadside, and we can see there is so much crowd, and people is saying like, sir, give me the 5 rupees and 10 rupees. So other person is waiting very long time, and they are losing our time. So like they have other works also, but the one person is standing there, sir, give me the 10 rupees, sir, give me the 5 rupees. So what is this? So in this way, supermarket is very good. We don't need to do the bargaining, and just we can save a lot of time. And this we go there, and there is a fixed price, and there is a name tag also. Whatever you want to get, so you can pay easily also. And in the local market, we need to cash. And nowadays people like in the cities also, like a supermarket, most of the we see can in the city, not in the village also. In the village always available the local market, not the supermarket. So in a supermarket we go, like in the city most of the people who live like for the education, like what we say, give me a sec. Students, yes, in the cities, like most of the students move to city for the good educations, and so they don't carry always cash. So when we go the local market, so we always say the people that sir, please can you take me the like do you have any online transaction? So because I don't carry the cash, so they always say no, I don't have. So what that time what we can do? But in the supermarket we don't need to ask that you need to cash or online payment. So we can transaction a very easy way by the anything like what we have, what we use. We don't need to carry the cash over there also. Yeah. So and also. Yeah, and also I saw that many people, they have much fear in a crowd. So they don't want to face the crowd, and they face much hesitate to talk the people. They want to remove it, but they are not able to. So in the supermarket they can easily go through and see the things, and they can buy, and they don't need to ask to anybody, because there is everything fixed, like you need to go left side and right side. So these are the things about the supermarket and the local market. Thank you so much.
Good morning all of you. My name is Mushir Ahmed. Today I am glad to start a discussion that I got the opportunity to speak in the discussion. Today's topic is normal markets versus markets. According to me, normal markets are best, because we have no time to go to supermarkets. We have no time to go supermarkets. If we need a single product, we don't go to supermarket. There are affordable things are there. We can easily purchase it, and if someone is in a dirty clothes, then a supermarket doesn't allow to enter in a supermarket, but poor people can get things easily. That was my opinion.
All right.
Sir, one point I would like to say, as a sir said that supermarket don't allow the poor people who wear the dirty clothes.
Yes.
I didn't see in my life that the people stop the poor people that you are wearing the dirty, and that I didn't see in my life. Sir, but I didn't see it in a like.
Yes.
Security, the watchman stops.
Yes.
So, but you
First
Yes.
investigate, first tell me, like.
Sir, if you allow me to answer this.
You wait, please. Let him try to say. Let him try
Let
to
the
say.
person.
Yes.
because
you talk.
sir, because we are the customer that guard like it's not mandatory like you wear the clothes in, it's okay, like you don't have the very expensive clothes, but the normal clothes the poor people can also afford. The clean cloth, it's a nature, not we are not wearing the torn cloth, not the fatak kapda.
Who live in the street.
What a point, man. What a point.
So because we are the customer, they always want to support us because of us they are earning. They are nothing for to speak on it.
What a humble person. May I speak? No, what humble I need to
Did you see it, sir? Any guard is stop the person that you are poor, you don't have much money. Yes, sir.
So sorry to see.
If someone go to supermarkets in a dirty clothes, first of all, watchman asks their identity. Who are you?
No,
they,
sir.
They think they may be spy.
So I will try definitely. That I'm not saying I will wear the torn cloth over there. So it's our upon too. Like we like if are the poor people, so they need to think about themselves also.
Family, but they doesn't allow to lower class family.
No, they didn't ask your like a reason, like how much you earn in a per day. They know that you enter in the mall and you enter in a supermarket, so definitely you will buy something. And when people see this, that they will think that this market is good, the other people also will come to buy the other
The
product.
time is already over. Please, opinion Divya. Opinion. First opinion चलेगा. No debate. The time is already.